Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into an interesting coding problem, splitting an array into a Fibonacci sequence. This is often known as LeetCode problem 842. It's a fantastic exercise for understanding backtracking and string manipulation. Let's clarify the goal. We are given a string composed entirely of digits. Our task is to split this string into a list of integers that follows the rules of the Fibonacci sequence. This means for every number after the first two, it must be the sum of the previous two numbers. Just to recap, a Fibonacci-like sequence works on the principle that a plus b equals c. To form such a sequence, we need at least 3 numbers in total. The first 2 numbers define the rest of the sequence, because once you have them, the third number is fixed, the fourth is fixed, and so on. There are some tricky rules we must follow. First, every number must fit within a 32-bit signed integer. Numbers larger than that are invalid. Second, numbers cannot have leading zeros, so 01 is invalid, but a single 0 is fine. And finally, we cannot rearrange the digits. We can only split the string where it stands. How do we solve this? The best approach is backtracking, which is a type of depth-first search. Imagine the string is a tree of possibilities. We start by trying to pick the first number. It could be 1 digit long, 2 digits long, and so on. Then we try to pick the second number. Let's visualize this process. Step 1, we loop through the string to define our first number. Step 2, we start a new loop to define the second number. Here is the magic. Once we have the first 2 numbers, we don't need to guess anymore. We calculate what the third number must be and simply check if the remaining string starts with that number. This is a greedy validation. We calculate the sum of the previous 2 numbers. We then look at the remaining string. Does it start with this sum? If yes, we slice that part off and continue validation for the next number. If no, we know our initial choices were wrong, and we backtrack to try different starting numbers. To make this efficient, we prune the search tree. If we encounter a number with a leading 0, we stop that branch immediately. If a number exceeds the maximum integer value, we stop. And of course, if the sum we expect doesn't match the digits in the string, we stop. In terms of complexity, because of the 32-bit integer limit, the length of the numbers we check is capped. This means the algorithm runs surprisingly fast, effectively behaving linearly with respect to the length of the string, even though backtracking is usually exponential. The space complexity is proportional to the recursion depth. To wrap up, this problem is all about determining the first 2 numbers. Once those are set, the rest of the sequence is deterministic. Using backtracking allows us to explore these combinations efficiently, while the constraints help us prune invalid paths early. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.